Good afternoon. Welcome to our channel. My name is Rick.
I'm Diana.
And join us through the walk through Saugatuck here today. It's a beautiful day, so let's go.
What if there's somebody out there that I'm attracted to my name? I guess it would be a host. Oh, you sound scared. So on that corner is Maro's Pizza, Maro's Italian restaurant. They only open during the summer, so they're closed right now. Here is Good Goods. It's an art gallery, gift shop. They're only open in the summer. Lots of gift shops and restaurants that are just open in the summer. Coral Gables has limited service in the summer or in the winter. Residential homes that are being restored. I would live in one side and have one side be a gift shop. 100%. I'd live in the garage and have the house be a gift shop. Or an Airbnb or something. I wish I could live down here. The boardwalk over there, that's a couple of different places. They have sandwiches and different things. Uncommon, the coffee shop, they look closed, but it's Sunday.
Why would it be closed?
I don't know. No, they're not closed.
Bar and Grill is open.
Land Sharks is open. These are the shop owners that live around here.
Up next, Saugatuck's main thoroughfare, Butler Street, is a shopping hotspot and one of the most popular attractions in the area.
I don't know. I don't think you can zoom in or anything.
I'm so in love with you. Thank you, sir. Mama's got a squeeze back. Daddy never sleeps at night. She goes in and out, and in and out, and in and out, and in and out. 'Cause she's playing all night, and the music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze back. Daddy never sleeps at night.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
You mind if we video you?
Oh, no, I don't care. Not at
We're
all.
gonna put it on YouTube video.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the colors, we are Silvertop.
Silvertop.
Grab one of our copies.
I don't see the card.
Oh, they blew away? Oh, here they are.
Oh, right down there. Okay.
Yeah.
So how long have you been playing?
Thank you.
Oh, a couple of years. Couple
years already?
Together. Yeah.
Nice.
You play in other towns or you just play here?
Holland.
Holland, we do a lot of this busking on the streets and stuff like that. Once in a while we get gigs in bars or restaurants. But we do a lot of busking like this.
Oh,
It's
nice,
fun,
nice.
low pressure.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Make
Sounds really
pretty
good.
good tips and stuff.
Nice
It's
day
fun.
for it too.
Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful day.
Gets
for it.
us out of the basement, you know, and able to play in the streets. You know, stuff.
Out of the basement.
Yeah, it's more fun than just sitting in our basement.
Right.
Not mom's basement. Right?
Yeah.
Mom's basement. So you guys are brothers, cousins, or what?
No,
just friends.
share hairstyles.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
That's why we call it Silver Top.
Oh, see? Yeah,
So
nice.
Silver top.
Yeah, the same hair color. We go to the same hairdresser.
Well, nice, nice.
Wonderful.
Let's hear another song.
All right, let me see what we got here. Let's throw something out. We really know well because they're going to video it. You want to do fake? Sure. Yeah. Okay. Do a little George Michael for you.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
The girls like this song. I guess that's all that really matters.
That's right.
Here we go. 2, 3, 4.
Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody got a body like you. Oh, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. 'Cause I know all the games you play, 'cause I play them too. Oh, baby, we need some time on that emotion. Time to pick my heart up off the floor. Oh, baby, when the love comes down without devotion, well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing you the door. 'Cause I got to have faith. I gotta have faith. 'Cause I got to have a faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith, faith, faith. Baby, you mean every word you say. Can't help but think of yesterday. And another who tied me down to love before. All this river becomes an ocean before you throw my heart back on the floor. Oh, baby, when they consider my foolish notion, I need someone to hold me, but I'll wait for something more. 'Cause I got to have faith. I gotta have faith. 'Cause I got to have a faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith, faith, faith. Before this river becomes an ocean, oh, you throw my heart back on the floor. Oh, baby, when to reconsider my foolish notion, I need someone to hold me, but I'll wait for something more. 'Cause I got to have faith. I gotta have faith. 'Cause I got to have a faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith, faith, faith.
Great job, great job.
Yeah, so here, you can see what's recording. You can see that recording from this. So like that. You can see it. No, it's good. Let's take it off. Ready? Inside the machine. It's around a little bit. Okay, go.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna hold it?
Yeah, a little further. Welcome to Rick and Diane's YouTube video.
Wait, I'm not Diane.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah. So here, you can see what's recording. You can see that we're recording in front of this. So like that. You can see us, yeah?
Don't turn it off till we get ready.
No, it's good. We'll just have to cut it off.
Okay,
Ready?
welcome to Rick and Diana's video today on this beautiful afternoon
In Saugatuck, Michigan.
in Saugatuck, Michigan. That's where we're here today.
Thanks for
Yeah, show me
watching
around a
our
bit.
very
So,
first
let's go do
YouTube
this.
Okay,
creation.
let's go.
We do it again?
Do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. You can hold it?
Yeah, a little further. Welcome to Rick and Diane's YouTube video.
Wait, I'm not Diane.